How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my homie Casa to Casa, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys, and it's because I'm about to show you a product review on a nail gel kit that I found on Amazon that I think is to die for. Now, the reason I come in with this product review is because not only did I think it was cool and affordable, but I noticed that my last video that I put up a month ago has gotten 8.2k thousand views, and it showed me that you guys are interested in this type of products and product reviews and videos, so I decided to come with another one. Now, this is a little bit more expensive on the affordable price that I showed you last time, but it's worth it to the fullest. So if you want to see what it brings and what I'm talking about, stay watching. Hey guys, so the kit comes in this beautiful black box. Again, that is the name of that came in the kit. Now comes the best part, and I want to show you how they look in your nails rather than the wheel that I show you in the kit. Okay, so let's turn around the camera and let's see the process. So that's it for that kit, and let me show you how my nails came out. I decided to use the very natural color, which is this one right here. It looks different. I know I picked 3 when I was doing the video, but I decided to go just with one color. But this is how the color bottle looks, and this is the color right after. So yes, do I think this particular kit is worth buying? Yes. Do I totally recommend it? Yes. So I will leave the link in the description box below if you're interested. And that's it for today, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like, share with friends and family, subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell notification so YouTube can notify you every time I upload a video. And until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.